Yes, I was calling because I worked the election, on the way to the election, and I went across the yard of a rec center, and I stepped on a stump, twisted my ankle, and fell. Well, we worked the pole that day, but 2 days later I had to go into the emergency room. They found out I had a sprained lumbar ligament, and messed my left knee up. So I'm trying to see what actions do I need to take. Do I have a case? Do I have entitled to something or what? Because like right now I'm feeling a lot of pain, but I'm not getting any leeway with anybody on what should I do, because I've never had this to happen to me.
Well, thank you for your call, Jane.
Sure, there's a lot of different issues there. First, you want to know if it's a rec center, who owns the rec center? Is it owned by the city or the county or some state entity? Because it will determine what kind of case you have. You may have what's called the Mississippi Tort Claims Act. And there's some strict rules that you must follow in order to make the claim correctly and not have it dismissed. And then there are other issues as to whether or not, from a factual standpoint, the stump or whatever it is that caused you to fall, was it open and obvious, or was there a defect? So you want to get pictures, you want to be able to document and verify the condition that caused you to fall. So you want to know what type of case it is, and so you know how to proceed, and then you also want to be able to prove your case by showing some kind of negligence.
Okay, and is that tough after the fact? I mean, because obviously it's probably happened a few weeks ago or so, and
conditions change, things are modified. There might be witnesses that you didn't. I know earlier we talked about the importance of getting with witnesses and documenting who they are. You might not be able to find them again. That can corroborate whatever story you had as to what happened. So, but the longer it goes down the road without attacking the case, the harder it is to make the case.
Yeah, I had a situation very recently where I got a phone call in about an injury in a parking lot, and I went by there that day to kind of see what the condition was, and they were repaving it that day.
Wow.
I mean, so it's very important that you on the ball and document the condition as it is then, because things change, and then it's hard to have your experts come in and look at it.